The internet has changed how we shop. From groceries to gadgets, everything is just a click away. Today, people buy almost everything online. Whether it's clothes, electronics, or even furniture, the convenience is unmatched. This means having an e-commerce website is no longer optional for businesses. It is essential. Without an online presence, businesses risk losing a significant portion of potential customers. An e-commerce website is your digital storefront. It showcases your products and services to a global audience. It is open 24/7, reaching customers all over the world. No more limitations of time zones or store hours. No matter what you sell, an online shop lets you reach more people than a traditional store. The potential for growth is immense. This is especially important for small businesses. They can expand their reach without the overhead costs of a physical store. E-commerce helps them compete with bigger companies. It provides a platform to showcase unique products and build a loyal customer base. It levels the playing field and gives everyone a chance to succeed. With the right strategy, even the smallest business can thrive online. Starting an online business might seem scary at first. The thought of setting up a website and managing online sales can be daunting. But the good news is, building an e-commerce website is easier than you think. There are many user-friendly platforms available. With the right tools and a bit of guidance, anyone can do it. Online resources and support communities are there to help you every step of the way. The first step in launching your online store is choosing the right platform. This decision is crucial as it will impact the overall functionality and success of your business. Think of this as picking the foundation for your shop. Just like a solid foundation is essential for a building, a robust platform is vital for your online store. You want something strong, reliable, and easy to use. A platform that not only meets your current needs, but can also grow with your business. There are many popular options available, each with its own set of features and benefits. Shopify is a great choice for beginners. It offers a straightforward setup process and a variety of templates to choose from. It is user-friendly and offers all the features you need to get started, including payment processing, inventory management, and customer support. Another popular option is WooCommerce. This platform is ideal for those who are already familiar with WordPress. WooCommerce integrates seamlessly with WordPress, which is a widely used website builder, making it a flexible choice. WooCommerce is very customizable, giving you more control over your store's design and functionality. You can add various plugins to enhance your store's capabilities. When choosing a platform, consider your budget and technical skills. Some platforms may require more technical know-how than others. Think about what features are most important to you. Do you need advanced analytics, multiple payment gateways, or specific shipping options? Do your research and compare different options before making a decision. Read reviews, watch tutorials, and maybe even try out a few platforms to see which one feels right for you. Once you have chosen a platform for your online store, it's time to dive into the exciting process of designing your storefront. This is where you can truly make your store visually appealing to potential customers, drawing them in with an attractive design. Your website design should be clean, modern, and easy to navigate. A clutter-free interface helps customers find what they are looking for without frustration. Choose a color scheme that reflects your brand's identity and values. Consistent use of colors can enhance brand recognition and create a cohesive look. Use high-quality images and videos to showcase your products. Clear, detailed visuals can significantly impact a customer's decision to purchase. Make sure the layout is user-friendly, allowing customers to find what they need quickly and efficiently. An intuitive design can improve the overall shopping experience. A well-designed website builds trust with your customers. Professionalism in design can make your business appear more credible and reliable. It makes them feel confident about buying from you, knowing that their transactions are secure and their personal information is protected. Remember, your website is often the first impression customers have of your business. A strong, positive first impression can lead to increased customer loyalty and repeat business. Now it's time to add your products. When doing this, be very detailed in your descriptions. Use high-quality images from different angles. Organize your products into specific categories. This makes it easier for customers to browse and find what they are looking for. Use clear and concise product titles and descriptions. Consider offering different product variations, such as sizes or colors. Highlight any special features or benefits. Make it easy for customers to imagine your products in their lives.